What's up, y'all? Y'all out there, y'all staying safe. Don't forget to wash your hands, keep your distance, and all that good stuff. We're gonna open another box, so this is a big one, so I don't know what it is. And it is the Crow. This is made by McFarlane, and it's a Movie Maniacs. It's pretty sick. Let's get into it. Dang, it used to be $9.99 at KB Toys. I remember KB Toys.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
That's already tore up.
Got him! Got him!
Look at that. Do y'all remember,
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
KB Toys. And well, we had one in our mall. It says believe in angels. The Crow. The stand is so sick though. Look at all that detail they put into it. And it's got a crow, a guitar, stand, and your boy himself. Pretty sick. I like it. What do y'all think about this one? Tell me down there below what you think about it. I think it's pretty freaking sick myself. But don't forget to press like and subscribe, and I hope y'all like this video. Deuces.